You're watching Renee, the official channel.
About to witness the strength of street knowledge.
So guys, welcome to another episode of Shots Fired. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers from the last video. I can't believe I got over 100 new subscribers and 2,000 views in 4 days. Absolutely brilliant. Hopefully this video will be as cool. I'm out at my local fishing village here in North Dublin, a fishing village called Howth. It's been raining for the last 54 days straight, rain and storms and grey skies. So it's Tuesday the 24th of February. I'm off work today, so I thought I'd get the camera, come out and try to take a few shots. Now, the problem being your local stomping ground for taking photos is you've taken so many shots over the years. I've been coming here since, well, over 40 years, basically 45 years. So it's hard to get something new, but today I'm going to try to get something new. I'm going to try different editing techniques. And I hope you enjoy this video as much as the last one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe if you're a new subscriber. It's greatly appreciated. If you don't know me already, my name is Renee. I do videos here in Dublin, photography and drone, and the odd travel video. So I'm going to get the drone up now that I just mentioned it, and I hope you enjoy some beautiful scenic shots of Howth. Good morning from Starbucks. Can't beat a nice coffee. I'd rather have one of those independent coffee companies, but I've been walking around the Harbour and then around the far pier and back, and I needed a drink, so Starbucks was nearby. So got a few photos. I think I've got not too many because I'm so used to taking shots out here. As I said, sometimes it's hard to get new work. Let me see. About 12 new images to work on. So let me tell you about the 3 F's, Renee's rules. Renee's rules, that should be a thing. Renee's rules. Da, 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 da. The 3 F's, which I say, find your image, find, focus, and finish. Go out, find your image. When you stand there at a place and you're taking a photograph, just remember hundreds of people have been there before you. What's going to make you different? So what you would need to do is basically go and find it from a different angle, shoot from a different shot, have a look around, take your time, then focus on your shot, get your shot, make sure everything is perfect. I always like to make sure the frame lines are completely clean. So I make sure they're clean when I'm doing the photograph, and I make sure everything's perfect, horizon's level, and I take the photograph. And then finish. Leave the scene the way it was when you walked in. No rubbish, no bottles. Just take photographs, bring home memories. That's it. So, yeah, let me see. Yeah, not too much recording of myself today in the video, because I don't know if you noticed from the first video, it is quite windy. So I didn't want the audio being messed up by the breeze blowing in. So time for me to get editing those photographs. I'm going to screen record what I'm doing so you can see exactly how I'm doing it. I hope you enjoy the results, and don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to Renee Brood Official.